Hello, good morning, and today we are going to learn about title of a research. I am Dr. Sandeep Sugadan, professor in community medicine. Title page of a research thesis or research report or a proposal include the following: the title, name of the author or authors, department and affiliations of authors, correspondent author with email address. Title of a research should be interesting and should inspire the readers to read. Okay. It should be catchy and attract attention of the readers. Title should display what is the key research topic is and what is the purpose of the research and what is the research design. All these should be displayed in the title. The title can display the research method or results. Okay. Key research topic like the association between obesity and diabetes. So that's a key research topic. Purpose of the research to evaluate the association between obesity and diabetes. That's the purpose. Research design, an exploratory research to evaluate the relationship between obesity and diabetes. So their research design is also mentioned. And a research method, you can say that a case control study on the relationship between diabetes and unhealthy diet. You can show the results also in title, like there is a relationship between obesity and diabetes. That is a result that can be shown as the title also. Okay. Purpose of the research can be either estimation of something or hypothesis testing. Estimation of mean value or a proportion or a rate. I will give some examples. Mean value of hemoglobin among pregnant women. So estimation of mean hemoglobin value. Estimation of a proportion. You want to know how many percentage of population is diabetic. So estimation of proportion of diabetics in the population or estimation of prevalence of diabetes in the population or a rate, estimation of case fatality rate of dengue fever, estimation of case fatality rate of COVID-19, like that. Rate can be prevalence rate or incidence rate. Prevalence rate for diabetes. Okay. Prevalence rate for hypertension. Incidence rate of influenza or some communicable diseases. Purpose of the research can be hypothesis testing also. Hypothesis testing means to evaluate if there is a difference in different groups is statistically significant. There are two different groups, obese population and non-obese individuals. And you want to know the prevalence of diabetes among obese is significantly different from prevalence of diabetes among non-obese individuals. There are two groups, smokers and non-smokers. Prevalence of heart disease among smokers is it significantly different from prevalence of heart disease among non-smokers. So that is hypothesis testing. Male and female, the mean performance score among males, is it significantly different from females? If the association between two variables is statistically significant, association between smoking and cancer. Is it significant or not? That is a hypothesis testing. So purpose of the research can be broadly classified as estimation of mean value or proportion or hypothesis testing. Now we can go through various examples of research titles. First one, study on estimation of quality of life among Malaysian adults. Okay, this displays the purpose of the study. What is the purpose? Estimation of quality of life among Malaysian adults. Second one, study on the effect of ethnicity on quality of life. So there is an association between ethnicity and quality of life. There may be multiple ethnic groups. So we want to know ethnic group 1, what is the quality of life? Ethnic group 2, what is the quality of life? Ethnic group 3, what is the quality of life? Are they significantly different? So it is actually hypothesis testing. It is a purpose of this study is hypothesis testing. Then third example, a study on risk factors of depression among elderly population. So it is a key research topic, displays the key research topic, risk factors of depression among elderly population in a district. Now, next title shows the study design. A cross-sectional study or a cross-sectional research on the factors associated with depression among elderly population in a district. So it shows the study design. Okay, another title, a cross-sectional research on the prevalence of depression among elderly population in a district. So it shows study design, cross-sectional research, and it shows estimation also. Purpose of this study is estimation of prevalence of depression. Sixth one, a case control study on the risk factors of Parkinsonism among elderly population in a district. That also displays the study design. So it is this title displays this study design. Study design is case control study. Now, next one. A cohort study on the association between exclusive breastfeeding and allergic disorder among children. So it's a cohort study between exclusive breastfeeding and allergic disorder. Two groups are there. One group exclusively breastfed for 6 months. Another group not exclusively breastfed. And the researcher is following them up and checking how many of the exclusively breastfed children are having allergic disorder, how many of the not exclusively breastfed children are having allergic disorder. The study design is cohort study. It is actually prospective cohort study. So title displays this study design. Next one, an online survey on the perceptions of Malaysian adults on periodic health checkups. It is an online survey. That is the methodology. Online survey on perceptions of Malaysian adults on periodic health checkups. It displays the research method. Next title, you please check. Regular physical activity increases self-esteem among adolescents. So what it means? It displays the result. It is actually the result is regular physical activity increases self-esteem among adolescents. 10th one, 5-week low glycemic index diet decreases total body fat and improves HDL cholesterol level in moderately overweight non-diabetic men. So it displays the research method also. and it displays the results also. So you understood how the titles can be written. Okay, title should be important, catchy, and show the methodology, and it can show the results also, and it can show the research design also. Thank you.